Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. So it is currently a Saturday afternoon and I thought I would do a little bit of vlogging today and tomorrow, just over the weekend. So I've already had a pretty busy morning today. My sister and I went and drove out to an orchard, which is about an hour away from where we live. So that was like a little mini road trip this morning. And I'm currently getting ready to go meet up with a few of my friends. We're gonna go to an ice cream shop and do a little bit of walking. That's kind of been my typical way of hanging out with people recently, is to go get a coffee or something and go walk, just so we can maintain a little bit of distance with everybody. So that is the plan for this afternoon. And then when I get home, I am going to be doing a little bit of work on my Etsy shop, trying to restock a few things. So I'll show you guys that when I get back. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and head out and meet up with some friends. Here is my outfit for today. I need to get a more long, like full-length mirror, I feel like, because this one never shows very well in video. But this is a t-shirt that I embroidered in my embroidery video, if you guys haven't seen that. And then this bag is from thredUP, as well as this belt and these jeans. So those are all secondhand. And then these sneakers are from Madewell and I wear them all the time. This necklace is from Missouri and it's one of my favorites. And then I just have my everyday earrings that are from Madewell, and then these are the ones that I just got this piercing with. So I wear those pretty much every day. So I am gonna go ahead and head out.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy.
So I just got home and it's actually much later now. It's already dark outside, but I just had dinner and I recently placed an order with thredUP that is not that many items. So I wasn't going to make a whole video showing these items, but I thought I would just throw a little thredUP haul here in this video and show you guys what I got really quickly. I was kind of thinking about doing like summer into fall pieces for my wardrobe for this order from thredUP. I really like to look on there quite often and just keep things in my shopping cart, but I just found a few things that I thought were really cute, so I went ahead and got them. So let me show you what I got. I got this little sweater, which is originally from Madewell, and I really like the fabric on this. It's so soft, it's really thin, and then this ribbed type of material, and then it has these cute little shoulder ruffles. And I actually found this same sweater in two other colors. One was a black and the other was a really pretty mauve dusty pink. So I think I might go back to find those a little bit later and order them in two more colors, because I really like the style of this. I think it's a great basic. It works really well with jeans or with skirts. So I think it's a good one to have, and I really like this gray color. And then I also got a skirt. This is originally from J. Crew, and it's a pleated midi skirt. I don't know if it's all gonna fit in this frame, but there you can kind of see the length. And I love how this has these little tiny pleats all the way around that make it so swishy and full. This is in this really pretty like neutral blush color. I used to have a skirt really similar to this that was from Cezanne, but it was a little bit off for me in the color, I think, and so I just didn't find it super versatile. So I think this one's going to work a little bit better with my coloring, so I'm looking forward to wearing that one. I think it'll go really well into fall also with some boots. And speaking of boots, hold on. And speaking of boots, I also got a pair of boots that I'm so excited about. I think these are so pretty and they're very unique for anything that I have in my wardrobe. All the boots I have are black, so it'll be nice to have something this lighter shade. These are originally from Everlane and I think they are brand new because they still have the bottom sticker on them that's like the scuff prevention sticker. So I think they're brand new. There are no scuffs or scratches or anything on the heels, so I'm really excited about these. It's such nice leather and I think this color will be so fun to mix mix into my wardrobe, especially in early fall. I think it'll look really good with some pieces kind of going into fall. So I was really excited to find these on thredUP. I do think thredUP is a great place to look for shoes. I'm not so big on buying shoes at the thrift store. I just can't quite get past that one, but I always find when I buy them on thredUP, they clean them really well, even if they are used or they're in like new condition. So I would say if you have a little bit of trouble buying them at the thrift store, just can't find what you want, which is my issue, then check thredUP because I found some really good options there. And then I got one more piece, and this one is kind of like the wild card of this whole order, I would say, because it is a color that I don't really think I can pull off very well. But I think sometimes you just have to wear colors that you don't think you necessarily look good in because you just like the piece. So that was my reasoning here. So I got this dress that I think is originally from Target, but I just loved the print on this. It's this couch style floral, which is so my style. My mom used to have sheets when I was younger that were like the same print almost. So it reminds me of those. But it's this little spaghetti strap midi dress with these buttons on the side, which I think is so cute. And then it has a midi length skirt with a little side slit and side pockets. So I think this will be so cute like over a lettuce edge t-shirt for kind of like a 90s throwback type of look, but also with a cardigan going into fall I think will be really pretty as well. So yellow is definitely not my best color, but I think I'm just gonna wear it anyway and enjoy it because I do love the fabric so much. So that's everything I got from thredUP. So for the rest of the evening, I am going to do a little bit of work for Etsy, doing some sewing. And then I also have to do my Chloe Ting workout because I'm still working through the 2-week Chloe Ting workout challenge, which has been really tough here in the last few days. I think this is day 13, so I'm almost done, but I've gotten a little bit behind. So I'm gonna either have to double up one day or extend it an extra day. So I'm excited to be nearing the end of that and start something different for working out. It's been really good though. It's been a really fun challenge to do. So I'm gonna do that. Also work on sewing for the Etsy shop, and then probably just watch some TV and relax and do a little bit of my knitting because I'm still trying to get that sweater finished this month. So I think that's all that I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but I will check in with you guys here in just a little bit.
World could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies way too gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna...
Okay, so I have done quite a few things I think since last I spoke to you guys. I finished my workout and taken a shower and taken my makeup off and done all my skincare routine. So I think I've really checked off everything that I had on my to-do list for today. So I've made myself a cup of tea, and my sister has made this chocolate cheesecake, which looks amazing. So I'm very excited about that. And I think I'm just going to watch a movie and do a little bit of knitting. I've really been wanting to get into more old Hollywood movies. I grew up watching a lot of older movies, but I've been recently listening to the You Must Remember This podcast, which gets really into the history of Hollywood. So I started looking up a list of everything that's won the Academy Awards since they started. So I'm going to start going through the Best Picture winners kind of from the 30s onward, but I'm not quite sure which one I want to watch tonight. So I'm just going to try and rent one a week or something like that. And that's like my little personal movie watching project, which is kind of a weird thing to have a project about, I guess, but it sounds like a fun thing to do to me. So I'm going to watch one of those tonight and just chill out and enjoy the rest of my evening. And I will talk to you guys again tomorrow. I'm going to continue this vlog on to Sunday. So I will talk to you again then. So So it's currently Sunday afternoon and I've just had a really nice chilled out morning. I had my digital church service and then also lunch with my family, so that was lovely. And I think for the rest of today I am going to be working on, or at least for most of the afternoon, I'm going to be working on a dress that I am sewing and filming for my channel. So if that video is already up by the time I post this vlog, I will be sure to link to it in a card just in case you want to check it out. My plan for this one is to go really step by step and slowly through one of my favorite beginner sewing patterns. So if you are wanting to try sewing for the first time or a really easy project, this should be a good one to check out, hopefully. So if you're interested in getting into sewing, this might be a good one to start with. It's a wraparound dress, so there's no zippers or buttons or anything like that. So it's a really easy pattern to sew and one of my favorite dresses. I've made it in the past, but I'm making more of like a summer version of it, and the fabric has lemons on it, so I think that's going to be so cute. I'm really excited about that. And then other than that, today I don't have much going on. My brother is getting ready to move out of state, so I might go help him pack some stuff up this evening. And then I also might do a little bit of planning for another video that I'll be doing in the next couple of days. So, and then other than that, just hanging out and doing a little bit of knitting because it's a Sunday, so I don't need to do too much, right? So yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. I do have to do my Chloe Ting workout once again. Yesterday was tough. I'm definitely losing my motivation here at the end of these 2 weeks, so I'll be excited to be done with that and ready to move on to something else. But I think that is kind of the general plan for the rest of the day, so I'll just take you along and we'll see what happens. Here is a little sneak peek of a video that's coming up later this week. I am going to be styling a lot of the clothes that I've made this summer, and it's just so satisfying to see all of these pieces that I've made all hung up here together. That makes me so happy.
And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to